Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. It's your girl Jazz, and yes, we are off to another adventure. This time we are checking out Meow Wolf. I just know that it's going to be a bunch of artists that have come together to create this adventureland, so to speak. I'm not exactly 100% sure what to expect. I've tried to avoid looking at any type of previews or anything like that, just so that way I'm going in completely, I have no idea what I'm going into, pretty much, mentality. So I do know that Meow Wolf has collaborated with a lot of local Dallas artists, so we are going to go check that out. They do have other locations as well that have worked with other local artists in that area, so if you do come to the one in Grapevine here in Dallas, Texas area, just kind of give you a more broader area, idea of where we're at. They do have one in Las Vegas. They're not going to be anywhere near the same. So if you've gone to one, you've not gone to all of them, so make sure that you check out all the different locations, but we're going to go ahead and check it out. Let's go see. I don't know what this is supposed to be, but it's interesting. hear this.
Are you going over there?
Ouch! I'm too busy laughing right now.
appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
What do you guys think? That was interesting, to say the least. I love the fact that everything connected back, so even if you think that you missed something, there's ways for you to kind of travel away around it. It was definitely a very unique experience, is the number one thing I could say. And while I was walking around, I actually heard someone say, this is the kind of art museum that I like. And I will have to say, that was definitely the best and most fun interactive art exhibit that I've ever experienced as well. They do encourage you to touch and play and things like that all over the exhibits. I will say that they had some very talented artists that were working on that, and I definitely look forward to looking at all the other Meow Wolfs that they have around the country. Unless they have countries. I'm not sure. Do they have it around other countries? I haven't done that research yet, but if not, I do plan on going and attending all of them. So let me know if you've been to any of the Meow Wolfs. Let me know what the subject is. I believe that this one was the Unreal Real or the Real Unreal. I don't remember which one. I remember Unreal and Real were in, but I don't remember the order it was in. I'm pretty sure my editor will be graciously enough to write the real name on here. But overall, yes, definitely something to exhibit. It's great for all ages. Although all physiques were not thought about on some of these exhibits, whether you're really tall or short and round like me. Because some of those, yeah, the slide, that was very interesting. That was not graceful at all. But like I said, definitely worth a try to go look at for your family, and definitely worth at least the experience once. So let me know if you've experienced these and which one I should go to next. In the meantime, stay tuned, stay jazzy. Thanks for watching, guys.